In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a watch list in TC2000. If you use TC2000 to track ideas or manage your trading routine, a personal watch list is one of the simplest tools to keep your symbols organized. In just a few clicks, you can save any stock to a list you'll come back to day after day. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and why it matters. Start by opening a chart for the stock you want to save. For example, if you're tracking AAPL, make sure you're on the AAPL chart. The key here is that TC2000 saves the symbol you're currently viewing, so verify the ticker in the chart header matches the one you want. This avoids adding the wrong symbol by accident and keeps your lists clean. Next, look for the Add symbol to Watchlist icon. In most layouts, it looks like a small list or a star, and it's typically near the symbol area or in the top toolbar. When you hover over it, you should see a tooltip confirming you're in the right place. Go ahead and click that icon. This is the action that tells TC2000 you want to take the symbol from your active chart and store it in a watch list. A menu will appear asking where to put the symbol. Choose your personal watch list from the options. Personal watch lists are the ones you've created for your own use, as opposed to any system or pre-built lists. Pick the specific personal list that matches your workflow, whether that's a list for earnings ideas, swing candidates, long-term holds, or anything else you already use. You don't need to adjust any other settings here, just select the list and confirm. That's it. The symbol is now saved to your personal watch list. You'll see it reflected the next time you open that list, and it will be there the next time you launch TC2000 as well. This makes it easy to build a focused set of symbols you can sort, scan, and revisit without retyping tickers every session. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Repeat this same process for each stock you want to add. Open the chart, click the Add symbol to Watchlist icon, and choose the same personal list to keep everything together. If you maintain multiple lists, be intentional about which one you select so your organization stays consistent. And remember, the watchlist entry is tied to the symbol, not your current chart settings, so you can customize views later without affecting what's saved. With that, you've saved a symbol to a personal watchlist in TC2000 fast and clean.